Hi everyone, today we will crochet a very bright and easy tank top. You will enjoy spending time working on it. The pattern on this top creates casual look that can be easily mixed with any jeans, skirt or shorts. You should measure the fullest part of your chest and crochet a foundation single crochet a multiply of 6. I made 114 single crochet. In the end of the row, join with slip stitch to the first single crochet. Round 2, 4. Chain 1, single crochet in each single crochet to the end of the round. Join with slip stitch to the first single crochet. Now you get 4 rows of single crochet. Round 5. Chain 4, 2 DC crochet together with the skipped single crochet between them in next 3 single crochet. Chain 2. Repeat the steps to the end of the round. At the end of the round, crochet unfinished DC in next single crochet and join with slip stitch in the second chain. Round 6. Chain 1, single crochet in the same place, 2 single crochet in next chain space, single crochet in next top of 2 DC crochet together, 2 DC in next chain 2 space. Repeat the steps to the end of the round. In the end of the round, join with slip stitch to the first single crochet. Make 3 rows of single crochet, around 7, 9, and start crocheting round 10. Chain 3, 2 DC crochet together in the same place. Chain 2, skip next 2 single crochet, bubble stitch in next single crochet. chain 2. Repeat the steps to the end of the round. In the end of the round, join with slip stitch to the top of the first bubble stitch. 11. Chain 1, single crochet in the same place, 2 single crochet in next chain 2 space, single crochet in the top of the bubble stitch. Repeat the steps to the end of the round. In the end of the round, join with slip stitch to the first single crochet. Make 3 rows of single crochet. Round 15, chain 4, TC in each single crochet to the end of the round. In the end of the round, join with slip stitch to top of chain 4. Round 16 is row of single crochet. Join with slip stitch in the end of the round. Round 17, chain 3, skip next single crochet, DC in next single crochet, DC in the skipped single crochet. Skip next single crochet, DC in the skipped single crochet. Repeat the steps to the end of the round. In the end of the round, skip next single crochet, join with slip stitch to top of chain 3, DC in the skipped single crochet. Round 18, chain 1, single crochet in each stitch to the end of the round. In the end of the round, join with slip stitch to the first single crochet. Round 19, chain 4, DC in each single crochet to the end of the round. In the end of the round, join with slip stitch to top of chain 4. Round 20, make a row of single crochet, then repeat rows 2 20 as many times as you need. Straps. Mark the places for the shoulder straps, connect the thread to this place, chain 1, single crochet in next 4 single crochet. chain 1, turn, single crochet in next 4 single crochet. Repeat the steps 40 times or as many times as you need. Join the strap to the back part by slip stitches. Make a row of reversed single crochet around the neckline and armholes. Fringe. Connect the thread to the bottom of the top. Draw up a loop. (20 centimeters long. Twist the loop 25 times. Slip stitch in same stitch, allowing twisted loop to coil around itself. Slip stitch in next single crochet, draw up a loop 20 centimeters long, twist the loop again 25 times. slip stitch in same stitch, allowing twisted loop to coil around itself. Repeat the steps to the end of the round. Join with slip stitch to the first stitch. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and bye!